Hello and welcome. This is lesson 5 of Learn Hindi through English. Now, we have studied about this, right? We have learnt that I is मैं in Hindi. I is मैं in Hindi. We have learnt how to translate this into Hindi also. If you still remember, I am Rakesh will be मैं राकेश हूँ. मैं राकेश हूँ. मैं is I, Rakesh is the name, who is the am, be verb. And whenever मैं comes, who comes. मैं and who is the subject and the verb relationship that we talked about, right? And this is in the first person singular form. Now, you in English is told in three different ways in Hindi. We use three different terms, I can say, or words to say you in Hindi. All right. So, first is tu, second is tum, third is aap. Okay. Tu, tum, aap. All right. Now, we use tu in some situations, we use tum in some situation, we use aap in some situation. Okay. Now, well, let us see what are those situations. The first word is tu, and tu is a very informal word. All right. It is used on a very close friend of yours. Okay, if a person is very close friend of yours, then you can use tu on him. You can use tu on your wife or on your children or on your brother if they are close to you. All right, but this is very informal, and it is better to stay away from this word. So just avoid this word to use it as you. All right, but to teach, I'm going to teach it. Tu David hai is you are David. Tu David hai is you are David. Tu is you. David is the name. Hai is are. All right. तू मेरा भाई है. तू मेरा भाई है, which means you are my brother. तू is you. मेरा is my. भाई is brother and है is are. All right. Next example. तू मेरी बीवी है. तू मेरी बीवी है, which means you are my wife. तू is you. मेरी is my. बीवी is wife and है is are. All right. Now, I'm going to step back and tell something about this and this. So, if you remember about the gender, okay, see, it doesn't matter if you are a boy or a girl, okay, you must say this sentence as it is. तू मेरा भाई है. You must say this sentence even if you are a boy or a girl, okay, because मेरा is for bhai and bhai is masculine. All right. So this mera does not depend on your gender. Okay, it doesn't matter whether you are male or female. This doesn't depend on that. This depends on this, and this is masculine. All right. And this, once again, it anyways, you cannot use this if you are a lady. Okay, So Mary depends on the gender of BV. BV means wife and wife is feminine. Alright. So Mary is feminine because it depends on this. Alright. Yes. Now stepping forward to this topic. Okay. Tu is very informal word and you use it to address a person who is very close to you. Okay. Maybe your friend or your brother or your children or your wife. But it is safe to stay away from this word. Okay. Try to avoid using this word. Next is tum. 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 Now, tum is a informal word, but you can use it on your friends or your brother or your wife or anyone who is close to you. Okay, you can use this word tum. So, tum David ho. Tum David ho, which means you are David. Okay, tum means you. David is the name. Ho means are. Ho means are. Alright. Tum mera bhai ho. Tum mera bhai ho, which means you are my brother. So tum means you here in this context. Mera, my. Bhai, brother. Ho, are. Alright. तुम मेरी बीवी हो. तुम मेरी बीवी हो. तुम मेरी बीवी हो. तुम you, मेरी my, बीवी wife, हो are. Alright. So you can use tum generally, commonly on people who are close to you.
Next is aap. Aap. Aap is you with respect. Alright. So if you are a foreigner who has come to India, or if you are an Indian who has moved to a place where Hindi is spoken, then it is better to use aap for you on everyone. Alright? Aap is you with respect. Let us look at few examples. Aap David हैं. आप David हैं. आप David हैं is you are David, where aap is you. Aap is you. David is the name. David is the name. हैं, 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 हैं is are. It is not hai, it is हैं, हैं, हैं is are. Okay. So here we have used aap for you, and when you use aap for you, it means that you are paying respect for David. Okay. You are addressing David with respect. So it is a formal way of addressing. Next, आप मेरे पिताजी हैं. आप मेरे पिताजी हैं. आप मेरे पिताजी हैं is you are my father. You are my father. आप is you. are is हैं. my is मेरे. Father is पिताजी. So you want to respect, or you have to respect your parents, right? You have to respect your father. So you have to use aap for you. You must not use tu or tum for you in this case. You must not say, तू मेरे पिताजी है. You must not say, तुम मेरे पिताजी हो. You have to use आप मेरे पिताजी हैं. You are using आप as a way of respecting your father. So whenever you are addressing your parents or your relatives who are elder than you or your teacher, you have to use आप for you. You have to use आप on strangers. Okay? So if you meet someone and if he is a stranger, then you have to use आप to address that person. Alright? Next, आप अमीर हैं. आप अमीर हैं. आप is you. Amir is rich. हैं is are. So when you use आप, you are respecting the person or you are addressing the person with respect. Alright? Next, about the subject verb relationship. You must remember this. It is very important for you to know this, and it is better if you write this down somewhere. Okay? Now, you are. You are can be told or said in three ways. You are can be said in three ways in Hindi. One is tu along with hai. Tu for you, hai for are. Tu for you, hai for are. Tu is very informal. Very informal. You can use it on your children, close friend or wife. Alright? Although it is better if you completely avoid using this. Try to avoid using tu. Alright? Next is tum and ho. Whenever tum comes, ho comes. Tum is you, ho is are. Tum and ho is informal usage. You can use this in general. You can use this on your children, on your friends, wife, someone who you know. Alright? You can use this in general. Aap and hai. Whenever aap comes, hai comes. Whenever you have aap in the sentence, use hai for are. So aap is you, hai is are. Aap is formal, and this can be used on everyone. You can use this on your children, on your close friend, on your wife, but generally we do not use this on our children and wife. Okay? Since they are close to you, we use tum. Tum. Alright? You can use aap on everyone else. You can use it on your friend, on a stranger, elders, parents, everyone else. So just remember this. Whenever tu comes, hai comes. Whenever tum comes, ho comes. Whenever aap comes, hai comes. Okay? Now, whenever tu comes, ho doesn't come. Whenever tu comes, hai doesn't come. Whenever tum comes, hai doesn't come. Whenever tum comes, hai doesn't come. Whenever aap comes, hai cannot come. Whenever aap comes, ho cannot come. But in colloquial Hindi, people do use ho along with aap. people say aap David ho or aap David hai. Alright? So in colloquial Hindi it is okay, but as you are learning Hindi right now, make a habit of using hai along with aap. So whenever aap comes, hai should come. Whenever tum comes, ho should come. Whenever tu comes, hai should come. You, tu, tum, aap are, hai, ho, hain. Alright? So it is better if you remember these combinations.
So now go ahead and fill this up. Okay, fill this as an example. You can type it in the comment box below. All right, click subscribe, click on the bell icon and click on all to get notified when we post a new video. If you want to watch more videos, click on the channel and click on playlists and follow any playlist that you want.